Hi, Kaylin. It's Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make this video. Hopefully it's short to show you how to find the things that you are asking for. So I'm going to start all the way at the beginning, which is the history homepage. So the or not US, the world history homepage. On this page, you are going to see a this should say monthly video message. And at the bottom of this thing, you can find our Zoom link and the time that we have class Zooms, which are on Mondays at 11:30. Okay, pretty much you're going to bypass this page every single time you come in here and go to the modules page, which is where you got the pre-assessment. Okay, so your first question was asking about the name of the unit. So here we've got our February module, and then just to show you that our calendar, if you will, is organized into monthly modules or categories. So here is the second module, which is titled March. So we'll get there eventually. Okay, so in the February module, you are looking at the first unit titled Imperialism. So this one is telling you that it's going to give you information, like an overview about the unit on imperialism. Okay, and then what else did you ask me? The summative assessments. Okay, so the summative assessments. So right here, this is the first assignment, and it says FA, which stands for formative assessment. These are all formative assessments. If we scroll down, this one, 1.7.1, is considered a summative assessment, SA, and then this one is also considered a summative assessment. Okay, so what are the differences between formatives and summatives? Formatives in our school district count for 0%. I know that's a little bit scary, but 0% of a student's grade. They are assignments that are considered practice. They help you to learn the information for the bigger ones, which are the summative assessments. Okay, so that's how you find out. And summative assessments are worth 100% of a student's grade. So it is always, always, always a good idea to do the formative assessments. Sometimes if kids have trouble on my summative assessments and they've done all of the formatives, I can look at the scores on their formatives to help them on the summatives. So hopefully that's a little bit of a motivation to get kids to do their formative assessments. Okay, I was trying not to make this last too long, so I think those are the questions. If you have any more, please let me know. Bye.